Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm starting off the vlog a little a little lazy today, but that's gonna change rapidly. We have to get dressed. My mom and I are going to a baseball game today and I'm so excited. I haven't been to a baseball game in a couple years. I can't get my pants buttoned. I'm starting off with these black shorts. I thrifted these a couple weeks ago and I think they're super cute. And I know I wanna wear a baseball cap or a bucket hat with the way that this outfit is going because for some reason I thought my jersey was white. It's red. I've said it once and I'll say it again. These Aritzia t-shirts are amazing. Okay, so far so good. The last time I wore these shorts, I had to cuff them and pin them, so I might have to do that again. I don't know. Jersey on. Let's see what this bucket hat looks like. Maybe let's try the black one. I'm really unsure about this outfit right now, guys. Maybe we need a different top. It's already looking better. This little tube top is also from Aritzia. These are also my favorite. The white is giving me like mom takes the kids to the zoo. That's not the vibe I'm going for. This is better. Also add some sunglasses. All right, I think this is it. Let's pick out some shoes. I'm between these two. The Converse give basic, which is fine. I'm okay with being basic sometimes. The Sambas are giving like, I know what I'm doing. I have some style. What do we think? Kind of cute. Sambas. What do we think? I think I'm going with the Converse. Guys, I was not a great vlogger. I didn't get any single bits of footage of the game, but I don't think you really came here for footage of the game. Anyway, did you? So I have a little bit of a haul for you guys. I've done some online shopping. Move my trash can out of the way for aesthetics. I've been looking for more casual shoes. So the first thing I picked up were these sneakers. These are the Adidas Gazelle. I don't know the colorway. I bought them off of Poshmark. I got them for so cheap, like 35 bucks. They're in great condition. I really wanted a pair of sneakers that weren't white, but that were a light neutral. So these are just beige and white, and they're exactly what I wanted. They give me similar vibes to the Sambas, which I'm living for. I also wanted a pair of casual black sandals. So I just picked up these from Dolce Vita. Just plain, they're like cushy and comfortable, and you know, I wanted like a staple summer sandal. Lastly, off of Poshmark, I got this vintage denim vest. I am loving denim everything right now, guys. I've already styled this. It'll be up on my Instagram. Shameless plug, go follow it. It's from Mango. It said vintage. I don't know. I have no idea what year this is from. I guess I could check the tags and like do the research, but it did say it was vintage, so who knows. But yeah, it's from Mango. I love the dark wash. I think it's so cute. It just has like the one button. I love it. It's like one of my favorite pieces. Then I made a small order on H&M. I just picked up a bathing suit. I struggle every single year with bathing suits, and I just never find ones that I really love. So I feel like every year I'm looking for new ones. So I just picked up a plain white one, just a nice basic, just plain regular white bottoms, like this cut of a top. And the bottoms aren't super cheeky, which is like the hardest thing to find anymore. Like, you know, some people still like to keep it a little PG. And you know, it's almost impossible to find swimsuit bottoms that are not a thong. And then next, I ordered this top off of Ruve. It has like shoulder pads. It's a crop top. It's like this pretty like purpley gray color. It gives me like very 80s. I like it. I will say I ordered this in an extra small and I could have gotten a small and it probably would have fit better. And then my friends over at Solado sent me over a couple pieces to share with you guys. The first one that they sent over is this sheer, like full sheer maxi dress, and it's off the shoulder. It's got like a flare bell sleeve kind of. It's so cute. Like honestly, I don't know if I will ever wear this out in public, but I'm so excited to style it and just do like, you know, a black bandeau and black briefs under it. It's just so cute. I love a sheer moment, love an off the shoulder moment. And then they also sent over this two-piece set. It's this like button-up shirt and matching pants. It gives like a double denim vibe, but it's like a really soft material and it's really cozy and super comfortable. So that was a nice surprise. I think this is so cute. I'm loving like a double denim or just like a matching set like this. I'm so into blue. I love the contrast stitching. I think it's so cute. It has pockets, so comfortable, loved it. I ordered a size small in both of them and they fit me perfectly. I will have all of this stuff linked down in the description, along with my discount code that I have for you guys. Spring is here. Spring is springing. It's beautiful outside, which means it's time to clean out my closet, go through the stuff that I want to sell, donate, whatever, pack away all of the winter stuff to make room for all of the spring and summer stuff. I'm very excited, but not looking forward to the mess that this is going to create in my closet. Okay, I started by going through each rack and separating into 2 piles, donate or sell, and store. I wanted to store my winter clothes to free up the space, so I started there and separated out the winter pieces that I wanted to donate, the ones I wanted to store, and a few basics to keep out and accessible all year round. Also, this isn't all of my clothes. I have a bunch of clothes in the closet and in the dresser, but these are all of the pieces that I wear day to day besides basically athleisure or loungewear. Next, I went through my basics, but there was only a few pieces that I wanted to donate, but I was being very picky and very thorough with what I wanted to keep versus sell, because every time I clean out my closet, I always hang on to pieces that I think I might wear and I never end up wearing them. But this whole thing was really just about reorganizing and clearing out space for the new spring and summer pieces, really just making my closet work better for me. I ended up with 2 huge piles, one for sell and one to store, and I couldn't believe how much stuff I actually pulled off of the racks. Next, I had to go through shoes, and there wasn't a ton that I had to do here, but I did take a few pairs out that I wanted to store for the winter and just a couple pairs out that I don't wear or don't fit that I needed to sell. Next, I took any winter staples that I wanted to keep in my closet for easy access, and I moved them over to the basics rack. So this was like leather jackets, a couple of plain long sleeves, just things that I could see myself reaching for throughout the rest of the year, once or twice, and not wanting them to be in storage. I had a rough time figuring out how to utilize these other 2 racks to make them work the best for me, and what I think I figured out is separating one of them into clothes that I plan on donating or selling soon, so that way that I can get one last use out of them. I like to challenge myself like that, and then using one rack for new clothes that I've gotten, seasonal clothes that I want to style, clothes that I need to shoot. Okay, the closet is clean. On this like 2-tier rack, I have all of my like basics or neutrals. So I've got all of my denim on the bottom, all of my like basic skirts. I got my neutral dresses, my basic maxis, my slip dresses, my casual dresses. And then I've got all of my tops, like strapless all the way through jackets. But these are all of my neutrals, my basics that I can pull from all year round. On this rack, I have like new pieces, seasonal pieces, stuff that I just bought, stuff that I want to style, stuff that I need to shoot still. Over here is an entire rack of stuff that I either want to sell or donate. So that way, if there's still things that I want to style before I get rid of it, then they're all right here. I know where they are, I know where to go. So that is all of these clothes, and then I took all of the winter clothes up to storage for the season so that they are out of the way. This honestly was not as much work as I thought it was gonna be, and I'm glad I did it. I feel like I have like a fresh start going into spring and summer. I can see all of my clothes, I know where everything is, it's all nice and organized. I love to be organized. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.